Brahmananda Public School, run by Surwani Art and Educational Society, was established in the year 1988, affiliated to CBSE in the year 1994. The school is known as the Gurukul of Noida. They welcome new technologies to accelerate the teaching-learning process, assisted by very simple formula of teaching: DHR and teach. The school will stand as an example to all, where simplicity, contentment, self-evaluation, growth of inner self, peace, culture, and moral values and non-exhibition of materialism are given more importance than great academic achievement, with none of the above in a student. Result may vary child to child. Mrs. Dr. H. Das Gupta's life took a new turn when her Guruji showed her a new path. Brahmananda Public School has not only educated their students but also taken care of their needs and their wishes, be it a library decked up with an enormous quantity of books, which helps the students to widen their mind and fill it with knowledge, or be it a chemistry and computer laboratory, matching up to the new technology. There are smart classes held to match up the skill set and for refinement of young and bright kids. The success stories of children every year has led to path-breaking inventions in the area of innovative teaching styles of the teachers.
हमारे स्कूल के जितने भी टीचर्स हैं वो कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे बच्चों को जो है एक ओवरऑल एजुकेशन मिले, सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं कि पढ़ाई ही होगा सारा दिन बुक वाम की तरह पढ़ते रहेंगे, ऐसा नहीं। साथ साथ जो है हमारे स्कूल में म्यूज़िक एज ए सब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम CBSE हम लोग पूरे नोएडा में हमारे स्कूल ही है जैसे म्यूज़िक एज ए सब्जेक्ट लिया है।
Our school's mission is to educate and help students to identify their talents and skills apart from academic excellence. The focus is also on communication skills, leadership qualities, and overall growth in a child, which will help them to overcome any kind of obstacles in life.
The school tries to imbibe these values into the children so that we leave a better society for the future generation.
The school's impression and orientation is that where simple living and high thinking is emphasized in all. To make the students fit and get a better and healthy life, a vast playground has been built with a separate basketball court and a cricket ground. For the younger generation, there is a play school where entertainment is best served.
The uniqueness of our school is that in modern times, it is the Gurukul, very difficult to maintain, but very easy to establish. Here, all classes come and they mingle together as one, and that's what my parents wanted to, and they've established, and we are just taking it forward.
We are proud to say that this Gurukul sited in Noida Sector 20 is taking care of all the amenities of the upcoming generation and edifying them to bring an enhanced world, nurturing them with new ideas, making them learn to stand up to every situation and humanizing them to build this world an amended place to live in coming days, and giving a message that to be a winner in life, you might have to fail many times, but you should never quit trying.